echoes on the tree, whispering secrets through the leaves. Stars like diamonds up in the sky, tonight's a memory that'll never die. Woodsmoke swirls around my dreams, mountain echoes through the streets. Warmth of friendship close to the heart, where the embers meet the dark. Crackling campfire, we gather round, stories old and new in sound. Flames leap high and sparks take flight, where the embers meet the dark. Moonrise paints the night in blue, every whisper feels so true. Hearts are open under starry dome, this wilderness feels like home. Woods smooth beneath the ancient pine, sharing tales of which we pine. In the flicker of the fire's glow, we find more than we could ever know. Crackling campfire, we gather round, stories old and new in sound. Flames leap high and sparks take flight, where the embers meet the dark. Crackling campfire, we gather round, stories old and new in sound. Flames leap high and sparks take flight, where the embers meet the dark. Moonrise paints the night in blue, every whisper feels so true. Hearts are open under starry dome, this wilderness feels like home.
And with you every whisper, every wish we feel so true, and never knew it ends with no.